testing out our new blender.
Our Vitamix can handle this.
Barely.
Our Vitamix is old, and our Vitamix, I would say, yeah, struggles, but handles this. So we're gonna see how this does, if it does as good as or better than our Vitamix.
So these are whole strawberries that are frozen.
Strawberries and diet soda. So I don't expect this to go super quick because these are like, yeah.
You're just gonna pull that power strip down.
Down to turn it on?
Yeah.
That's opposite of the Vitamix. Wow. Actually, that's really impressive and way quieter. We don't have a new Vitamix. We have an old Vitamix.
Right.
I will be honest, but that works way better than our old Vitamix. I'm pretty sure it's definitely equal to any Vitamix. The fact that it did whole big strawberries just now really quickly. I don't know the longevity of it compared to Vitamix's last forever. We've had it a long time. It's starting to have some issues, and we've not done any maintenance to it.
No, we replaced a couple parts on it once.
Oh, okay. But this is, yeah, this worked really fast to get for whole strawberries and soda. That's really impressive.
Try it.
That is thick and very fine smoothie.
That's definitely replacing our Vitamix.
Yeah, that is a thick, nice smoothie. Yep.
That is a good smoothie. So yeah, we like our new blender. It works really good.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.